Alright, welcome back. I don't really have a lot of time before Christmas, so I think I'm just gonna try to assemble the engine, see if we can get it to run smoothly or at all. Now, as of the last time I was working on this, we did the carb. See, I've learned how to say it now without saying the ureter part. And I just said it perfectly. Now combine it. Never. Let's see, that goes there. Got that there, yeah. Oh yeah. Let's put this on lastly. It was mainly there for safekeeping. Now it's been minus 10, 17 Celsius, of course. So my workshop is cold. And this, because it won't freeze, I let sit out here, and now it's super thick. So this is gonna be a good old time. Still haven't learned if I should put gasket cement on or not, depending on the various gaskets. But if it can't hurt, then surely, why not? Is my logic there. That one goes on like so, okay. So we're doing this side first. Oh, application is actually a lot easier when it's goopy, real goopy. That's nice. Oversized in the sense of, I could probably trim it down to make it look neater. But, you know. The why and so forth. Now, that one goes there. That one there. Finger tight will do for now. What I'm gonna say to that? Go away. Measuring off of the other one. Ah! There's a screw right at the bottom of the gas tank that connects to the base of the engine here, which I've just fastened. So now that's installed. These are the thingies. They go like this. Vroom vroom. Yeah, it's a little sticky, but there we go. That'll do. All right. Compression, spark, gas. Okay. It's been a hectic month, so I haven't been able to get the paint yet. For the front cover. Why won't you fit? Oh, it's down the bottom, ain't it? See? All along here it's really jagged. That's really strange. It's like the metal is naturally a lot thinner out here. And this is part of the casting as well. It almost looks like it's kind of rotted away. No, it's plated. The outside here is plated, and it's the plating that's starting to wear off. Right, so what I did was I attached a screw before I mounted the starter pulley assembly. I didn't notice it, so it wouldn't fit. Then I noticed it, now it will fit. See, weak spring. Good compression though. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, whatever. Oh, right. Also, before I forget, oil. Is there a funnel around? Oh, yes. Not sounds of me cleaning off the funnel for sure. No idea how much to put in. You know, before I get into all this, changing the changing the oil and stuff, I probably should check if there is some in still. I can't remember if I actually emptied it out before I started all this. I think I did. But it's me, so I could have done any old thing. That's down. So it's this square hole here. I'm just gonna find a container in case. Alright, the only thing I found was a cut up acetone bottle. The bottom's off, but the top's solid. No idea why I did that, but it's done. It'll work. I'm gonna use you as my looking glass, my viewfinder. And of course, it's still cold and has been for a while. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it wasn't a lot. Oh, let's get that. Tighten back up. Like so. Yeah, see, not too bad. A little black. Smells kind of bad. It's got like a little shimmer to it. That's fine. Righty-roo. What the hell, righty-roo? Anyway. Don't have any way to measure the oil, but I'm thinking until I can just about see it down there, that should probably be plenty. And if it's too much, it'll burn off. And yes, this is fully synthetic oil, and this is an engine that probably was never intended to even know fully synthetic was a thing. I really feel like I should add in some additives. I will eventually, once I find out what additives. I've done about 50 mil. I'm thinking if I get to it, I'll go at least 100. This is actually worse than filling AdBlue on my stupid car. No, it's not worse, it's just as bad. Like, it's the exact same operation. Have to fill it up using a funnel I bought and AdBlue. with no sense of gauge at all. Not even in the car. Add blue status. Okay. Where am I at now? I've done 150 mils, which is carry the 2, convert to miles, 87 gallons. Yeah, let's go for 90. There we go, 200 mils. That should be fine. It'll burn off in any case. Right, I just braved the elements and got some gas. It's not a lot, but should be enough, hopefully. Oh, come on. Why is everything so cold and wet? There we go. Just going to sneak a peek, see if the... Oh yeah, that's covered. The full open. I assume closed. Let's see. Come on. Stupid spring. If only I had a... If only I had big enough, I could put it over the top here, take this off, and then just with my try with this. If this is, I can see you. You're closed now. I've forgotten something, and I just hope I haven't lost what it is I've forgotten, because I had it here not too long ago. It's not this one, it's not this one. Ah, here we go, here it is. Oh, there's a boot missing. Wait, is it a boot missing? No, it's not a boot missing, because this one goes here. And does this fit here? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay. Let's try again for the very first time ever that I haven't done this before. It's got a different sound to it. Sounds, dare I say it, almost hopeful. Okay, the oven. It works at the start. You have to push this in to close, and then after it's hot, after the oven, the fire is blah blah blah, you pull it out, and then you can see through the glimpse, and it will like that. I think this is right. If not, we'll try a couple of pulls again. If this doesn't do anything, we'll try pushing it in. Holy shit. I, for one, certainly did not expect that. I got life. I've created life. And I think come on. I think the spring is actually really... I'm back, and I'm back, and I have news, updates. Look. Turns out it wasn't a spring. Spring's fine. It's the gasket between the in the clutch thingy. The gasket there was it was really sticky, so I just drowned it in WD-40, and now it's fine. It withdraws as needed. See? More or less. Come on. It so badly wants to. I can feel it. I can hear it. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Whoa. That was something. It popped. Huh.